Why does Instagram keep crashing? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if Instagram keeps crashing, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you have the Instagram application installed and then it keeps on crashing, what are some of the ways you can fix it? The first fix applies only for Android users. For this, if you are on iPhone, by the way, for iPhone users, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, select Instagram, offload the app and reinstall the app again. For Android users, long press the Instagram app icon, then you'll find the app info, which is the eye icon. Make sure to tap on it, then you'll come to the app information page. Once you're here on this page, what you want to do is go to storage and cache, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the storage. Remember that clearing the storage will delete the data, so if you are logged into your account, you'll also be logged out, so you might want to log in back again. Now once you've done this process, just come back, tap on force stop, tap on OK, and then open it up and see if that helps. Now again, what you have to do is open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in Instagram, check if the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. So last but not the least, what I want you to do, if none of the solutions work, just try to install Instagram Lite, or you can try to restart your device. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.